Look, number 3, number 4, you just have to get very comfortable with the calculator, and what you type, you need to believe what it says. I'll kind of show you guys by hand what the calculator is doing, but as long as you have access to a calculator on a quiz or a test, you just have to input it correctly and you got the right answer. Okay, so look, do the shortcut where I label on the triangle. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, let's write. Okay, so look, my legs are 1, 1. My hypotenuse is rad 2. If this is my 90, this is opposite, so that's my hypotenuse, right? You're getting recorded. Okay, so which is your hypotenuse scale factor? Your scale factor is going to be the one with 2 numbers, right? Okay, it is nu over reference, so you're going to grab that, make it into a ratio, throw that into the calculator. What you see is what you type. Fraction, 8 numerator, rad 2 denominator. Hit equal, and you get 4 rad 2. That is your scale factor. Okay, afterwards I'll tell you guys why, so I'll keep it recorded. So now, how do you find A? How do you find B? It is always reference times your scale factor. So what is 1 times 4 rad 2? Yes. And then what is the value of B? What is 1 times 4 rad 2? And that's it. Okay. Why is the calculator giving you this? You have a calculator, so what it does is you're not allowed to have radicals, decimals, fractions in the denominator's position, okay? So you multiply, you use the power of perfect squares, and with that knowledge, you clean it up. So you take that rad 2, and I'm going to multiply top and bottom by exactly that denominator. If it was a rad 3, they'd both be rad 3. If it was a rad 5, they would both be rad 5, but it's a rad 2. And so you get 8 rad 2, and so what is rad 2 times rad 2? Rad 4. What's the square root of 4? 2. And what's 8 divided by 2? 4 rad 2. So the calculator knows how to clean up and simplify radicals. So as long as you trust that what the calculator is giving you is correct, you're not required to solve it by hand. But that's what the calculator is doing here. Yeah? Okay, so you don't have to write that. It's just this. Okay. Number 4, do you guys want me to do this the colorful way or still do shortcut? Which way? Colors? Okay, so if I solve this one colors, sorry, I didn't put the 45s on here. Let's do colors. Oh. Remember, your hypotenuse is rad 2, your legs are the 1s. Okay, so 2 rad 2 over rad 2, A over 1, that's an A, not a 9. A, B over 1. Okay, so your scale factor is right here. By the way, if you guys are doing shortcuts, you could just simply do that, even though I'm doing it the long way. Okay, so you can still kind of see what we're doing. You get 2 rad 2 over 2. Now, you guys should know that 2 rad 2 over rad 2, looking at it, see how the rad 2s are the same type of number? They're completely identical. Remember, everything is divisible by itself. The identity property of division, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. X divided by X is 1. So rad 2 divided by rad 2 gives me the scale factor 2. So for those of you that are doing a shortcut, you multiply. So A is going to be 2, B is going to be 2. Okay, but still continuing with the proper way. If you want to solve for A, by the way, this is a split. Bless you. A over 1 is equal to 2 rad 2 over rad 2. And if you're solving for B, B over 1 is set equal to the scale factor ratio. All right, and then you could just simply throw this into your calculator. And so 2 rad 2 over rad 2, click out, and see I get 2, and then the next one's going to be 2 as well. Just practice makes perfect with these. Trust your calculator. Okay, I'll let you guys work on it, but this assignment, you're only doing the 45s. In like 15 minutes, I'll go over the 30-60s for those of you that have already done them. Like, there's students in here that are flying through this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, 17, 18, 21, and 24. Okay. Oh, and by the way, 14 and 6 are identical. So here you can see 6 and 14 are identical. So you can skip 14 because it's the exact same problem. It's just laid out differently. This is just laying down. Okay. All right, let me shut off the video.